welcome to our channel Bala, Krishna, Quasar. Make sure you like, share, subscribe and comment down below. Today we are unboxing two products from Bangalore. Let's get into it. So the first product is called HotWheels, and it's basically we should build a track and we should keep the car and press a button. The car will move in the tracks. So we want to unbox the last product in here. So this right here is called Magic Snow Kit, guys. So let's unbox this big boy up, guys. So let's open it right here. Guys, see this, guys. Let's open it. So they gave the instruction paper right there. So we gotta carefully open it. So we got it out. So these are the materials that they gave us. I will assemble this. Let's get back. So this is the instruction paper. Because of this instruction paper, I have been able to assemble this, guys, right here. This is a racing car and you're supposed to keep it right here in this hole and click it hardly. It just goes around right here. Like that. Let's do it again, guys. So let's keep it right here. Let's go. Now let's get to the next product opening. Let's go! Oh yeah! This is a great car to play. It increases your knowledge and even increases your slam dunk power. So this is the second experiment. It's the experiment that we can make snow out of in the Magic Snow Kit. So let's unbox it, guys. So this product also has instruction book, because without instructions we can't do anything. So let's open it. So we just have unboxed the kit. So these are the materials that we need to use for the experiment. First we have 3 cups and 3 paints and 2 magic snow, and the blue magic snow is dry and fluffy, and the red one is fine and moldable. So first we have to pour water into this measuring cup, and 25 ml we should pour it into a cup. Now that we poured the 25 ml of water, the next is going to take one of them. You can choose anything in your choice it is, and open it. So we are going to remove it. So we remove the cover, somewhere is there, it's okay. Now I'm going to take the spoon, and I'm taking a full spoon and pouring it into the water, and I'm going to wait 16 seconds. Now it has become snow. I'm going to touch it. It's literally so snow. So this is the snow right here. It is just like snow, but it's not snow, guys. Experiment 2. So first we are going to pour this water. No, bro. Okay, we are going to pour this water. Next, we are going to take red ink. You can choose any ink you want, but I'm going to choose red. So I'm going to pour the red ink right here. So I'm going to take some 1 spoon of magic powder. I'm going to keep it in here. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. So it's coming right here, you can see it. You can see it kind of bubbling. So see right here, guys. And let's sprinkle it. So amazing. Let's take one more and sprinkle some more, guys. Experiment 3. We are going to pour again 25 ml of water into this next one. But this time we are going to do with the color blue, guys. Let's open it right here, and I'm going to do 2. 1, 2. It's enough, guys. Next we are going to take this magic snow once. Okay, just wait. We're going to wait, and it's bubbling, guys. It's bubbling, and it's like kind of forming snow. Okay, guys, now I'm going to touch it and sprinkle it all. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. So if you have any questions or comments, please comment down below and we can answer it in the comments too. Make sure you like, share, subscribe and comment down below to Bala, Krishna, Quasar. Thank you.